Now, juicing is not a fad. It's something that if you can get it into your routine, you get the maximum amount of nutrition in the most minimal of time. It's a wonderful thing. Now, today I'm gonna make a really great afternoon juice that just kind of peps you up a bit, hydrates you too. So on with my juicer. Now, I've got 3 gorgeous carrots, lots of vitamin C. I've got some orange, adding to the vitamin C too. Beetroot, bit of lemon and ginger. I've got some cucumber, that's that hydration part there. Isn't that colour incredible? I mean, that tells you there are so many antioxidants in there. So just in case there is a little extra drip, just quickly switch there. Now I'm going to pour some of this into this jug and get my daily amount of mainly vegetables with a bit of fruit smuggled in there, which is the wonderful thing, a very easy way of getting more veg in your diet. So let's have a little try. That is so, so good. That is gonna save you some money because that's normally very, very expensive in cafes. But you know as well that you're nourishing yourself from home. What a wonderful thing.